Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, this is Ian. Welcome back to another vlog. I am with my friend. Introduce your
Hi,
name.
my name is Jundel.
Hindi mo gusto kumpletohon. Joke lang. We were supposed to go out, guys. Go out and party, but it's raining a little bit. Tapos busog-busog kami, and we had a good night last night. Nag-inuman kami, so today is our rest day. So instead of going out, we decided to just play Never have I ever. Hindi kita sync. Liwat. Okay. Instead of going out, we just decided to play Never have I ever. Toronto edition. Steamy Toronto edition. Mas steamy question. So, salitan ng taha.
First question is...
Honest answer or pwede mo lang? Honest gid no?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Honest answer ko na, guys. Tulog sa camera. Tulog sa camera. Layo. Sige, madubuan ka.
Never have I ever found a dumb excuse to text an ex.
Nope. Never.
Never.
Last night, I was supposed to. Mama ko drunk texting ko wala. Pero aware ko, pero wala ko ginumbra, guys. I'm so glad because I woke up fresh and wala sala.
Wala sala.
Diba? Okay, ako naman. Never have I ever slept with a coworker.
Once.
Once.
Yeah, because my ex is my coworker.
Okay. Sounds good. Next, ikaw.
Never have I ever had a friend with benefits.
Friend. Teka lang, ganun pa minsan ko. Yes. Ang bago lang snap. Friends man kami na.
Okay.
Yes, oo.
Like a very close friend.
Hindi kami close friend. I
Like
mean,
just
we're
a
just
regular-
common friend.
Common friend.
Yeah, regular friend.
Oh.
Pero kung close, good, wala. Because most of my close friends are either babae
Mhm.
or like super gay or like really the utod lang like ikaw. Never have I ever fantasized a friend. Ang close friend
Yeah.
Ay, sino na?
Like here, like one of my like just like not very close friend, just a regular friend.
Did you ever hook up?
No,
Okay. Just fantasize na lang siya.
just fantasize.
Tapos, anong ginabra? Hindi, joke lang.
No,
Kay Damo,
never
dead air.
ever dated someone younger than me.
Oh, oo, Yes. I always do.
I always.
My ex was younger than me.
But wow, what age you're the youngest one? Very youngest.
12 years younger than me. Pero legal age, guys, ha? Grabe ka. 12 years younger than me. Pero legal age, of course. Ako naman. Never have I ever had a one-night stand.
No.
No? Honest?
Honest, no.
Mawudula ka man work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi mo gusto ang one-night stand.
No.
Naman how?
Very, nakaka-attach ako.
Like after
Yeah, like what I'm doing that one for the sake na for long term, you know what I mean?
Pero ano ka how? Like kung ma-in love ka, ano dapat how? Mas unang attraction mo sa iya or dapat mas-sex ka mga night tapos
Una attraction.
okay. Kaya initially dapat ma-attract ka nay. Ako man wala ko gapati, balas love at first sight na una mo siya nakita tapos love mo na siya dahil hindi.
My next question is, never have I ever kissed a friend's ex.
Oh my God. Never have I ever. I don't think so.
Okay.
Okay, next. Never have I ever masturbated at work. Nga ah? Hindi honest ha?
Once. Once.
Visit ka doon.
Yeah, once lang.
Okay. Ano nang trigger si mo?
No. It was just, I was bored. Not bored, like very bored.
Feeling ko may ano ka, may ka-chat ka that time.
No.
Wala.
Yun lang.
Okay.
It was just on top of my...
Yeah. What about ano? While nag-drive ka?
Why ko ka drive? Never.
Hindi sa Philippines, yeah.
No.
Wala.
Never have ever had a relationship lasts less than a month.
Wala. Duwa lang ako on excess, guys. When I was in like college, tapos 10 years after pa nasundan. Or 10 or 12 years after pa nasundan. Yeah. Hindi ka, ano ko daan, budlayan ko mangita. Kasi gusto ko daan, do ka, ang connection, ang tanan-tanan nga mga factors gina-consider ko before getting into a relationship. So, well, anyway, guys, we will be going to Niagara Falls tomorrow. Hindi naman na namon ma-vlog kay syempre ang cellphone ko ginagamit sa direction. Yeah. Upload ko ni Dayan. Ha? That's all, guys. Bye.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.